super cool. Not enough for the fire truck crew.
There's nothing they can do.
There's nothing they can do.
Skid steers.
Break a blast thingy.
No, before that. Skid steers nimble.
Mom click.
She.
Turns the trick.
Bulldozers.
Mine.
Heavy.
Mine click.
Wide and grand. Heel.
He'll use the hand.
Push and plow to clear the land, but even he
Can use the hand.
skids,
Break a blast.
rocks
Will break
to
and flow.
rubble. So dozer rolls through without
Trouble.
two friends at work. One
Big, one small.
they
Do it all.
clear the way, they move it all.
No move it all.
Each long trench is marked
Playing.
X.
Evade the dig the land.
Then
The backhoe, and the drain pipe. He sighted down a one smooth swipe.
that's right. Turn and dig.
Let's drop.
Then push.
Wait, put the back on top.
They set each pipe and then
There's a peep.
repeat. This duo doesn't.
There's a peep
Pulling up with
on my
crane truck lifts.
a beam to hike.
Then he,
Bend his hook around.
but just
But touch his ground.
take your hand away from your mouth, please. Crane truck gasps.
Down supplies. He used up all his supplies was that day.
Supply depot, beams, pipes, lumber. I don't know what the last one says. But what's this coming?
Down the road. Could be another road.
Mighty flatbed.
What did watch?
Smoothly
Hard tipsy touch.
down the road.
Over hills.
Her load strapped tight.
So the food spoon. No, it's a boy.
It's a boy. On site, he rolls
To a stop.
with
Lots of beams
crane supplies, all
stacked on top.
flatbed trucks, just
Working hard.
saved.
I don't want to do that. I don't want to read it.
Okay.